This video is sponsored by Predictive Coach, protecting your brand, your drivers, and your bottom line. If you go to the Assets page in MyGeotab, you'll notice this Show Assets button that by default shows all assets regardless of their type. Clicking this dropdown, you can filter the page to show only assets of a particular type. The four options here are the standard ones that are automatically included in each MyGeotab database, but maybe you have a different type of asset you'd like to have a category for as well. In this case, navigate to Groups and Rules, Groups, and then click Asset Information, Asset Type. Here we have the four types we saw on the Assets page and can click this plus button to add types of our own. In this case, we'll say we've got some starships in our fleet that we're going to want to track, so we'll type in the label, add a description if we'd like, change up the color here, and click Save. Now we can go back to the Assets page and add a new asset that we're going to categorize as a starship. Since this is just an example, I'm going to leave it as an untracked asset and save it in the system. Now we have this untracked asset, we can see that the color I chose for the asset label shows up here, and if we navigate back to the main assets page, we can see that the new type shows up in the filter as well.